cannot believe I got a whole ass cat that was in my boat, y'all. I cannot believe it. Yeah, see, we gotta really pull this boat out and go over it. Make sure no cats in here. How this weather been. We're gonna do that today too. Also, we gotta go ahead and put our headlights on the truck with the tow mirrors, so stay tuned for that. Oh, this camera trash. I'm gonna get my other camera. My camera down, I'm gonna get my other phone, but we on the boat today, man. We gotta clean this thing out. It's super dirty. We're about to get it right though, man. Little by little. So enjoy the show, y'all. Swear to God, I don't know how people be animal lovers out here. Like, something told me, because I know how this shit could get. Whole cat in my boat. That motherfucker jumped out, scared me. Let me show y'all. Look how much cat hair. I just took everything out. Like, way too hard for this, bro. All I did was literally come by and check. I looked through the window, see something move. I'm like, oh, that motherfucker jumped out the back. I'm like, oh no. So today, we're doing a cleaning day. Baby's still working. Game time, baby. We got the interior all the way out the boat, man. We had ants living in this mug. We had to just clean it up. Looking way better, man. Shout out to the neighbor. My boy came and helped me out. We got it so much cleaner. I had started it up to get it going and running. I had one cat in here, y'all. I had cat hair all over the floor. It pissed me off, so I had to completely strip the boat out. So we got all the interior over there. We're about to have this thing cleaned up though, man. I worked too hard for this, y'all. I'm not lying to y'all, man. Way too hard. So that's why we got to make sure we take care of what's going to take care of us when it's time to have fun. Yes, sir, man. Today was a crazy day cleaning that boat out. I literally had a cat living inside of my boat. And I know around the area where I live at, they have a lot of cats that's over here. So I already was skeptical about the RV for the fact I don't want nothing inside of there trying to live. But that boat, I had the top on there kind of slit open in the back on some lazy stuff. So that's what made me go ahead and put all the straps with a tarp on top of the boat to secure it, to keep it the way it needs to be, because I paid a lot of money for that boat and I worked hella hard for it. So I can't be having nobody living rent-free in my boat, man. Hell no. And on top of that, I try to keep it in a good condition so when it's time to slide, I can just hop on that joint and be out of here headed straight to the water. So we slide. We got everything finally cleaned up and going. So stay tuned, man. We're going to have some more boat content coming. The next video I'm going to have on this boat, most likely I'm going to be ripping the interior fully out, dropping it off to the upholstery shop. So stay tuned for that. We got a lot of plans for this thing, man. I just been trying to get everything going in life. But besides that, we're going to have a TV coming inside of there. I'm going to put a small TV like I have in my RV. I just have to give me a whole converter so I can have everything plugged up with the voltage the right voltage how it needs to be, because I have music on there, so I don't want to mess that up and all that. But we have 2 batteries. I might add another extra 2 just so we can have enough voltage to keep everything going. But like I said, stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding. You already know what's going on. We got some sliding merch with the boats and the jet skis and all that good stuff. Just stay tuned like the next week or so, man. But like I said, we sliding, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man.